Today, I'm going to share 10 simple tips to help you write a great job application in English. Let's get started. The first impression matters. Begin your application with a polite and warm greeting. If you know the hiring manager's name, use "Dear Mr. Smith" or "Dear Miss Johnson." If you don't know their name, use "Dear Hiring Manager" or "Dear blah blah team." This makes your application feel personal and shows that you taking care to address the reader properly. Keep your sentences simple and to the point. Avoid overcomplicating your message. For example, instead of saying, "I'm writing to formally express my interest in this position," just say, "I'm excited to apply for this job." Simple and clear is always better. Here is an important one. Use active voice to show confidence. Instead of saying, "The project was completed by me," say, "I completed the project successfully." It sounds more direct and confident. You don't need to sound like a robot. Be professional, but still natural. For example, instead of, "I hereby submit my application for your esteemed consideration," say, "I'd love to join your team and contribute to your company." Friendly and professional. Before you send your application, read it carefully. Check for spelling or grammar mistakes. Little things like "he worked" instead of "he works" can make a bad impression. Tools like ChatGPT can really help. Now, this one is super important. Show them you are excited about the job. For example, "I'm passionate about helping people and this role is a great chance to do that." Your energy can make a big difference. Do a little research and say something about the company. For example, "I admire how your company focuses on sustainability, and I'd love to be a part of that mission." It shows you care and you've done your homework. When you write, use words like "also" and "that's why." It makes your writing smooth and easy to follow. For example, "I love working in teams. Also, I have experience in managing projects." Always finish your application with a nice closing sentence. Something like, "Thank you for considering my application. I hope to hear from you soon." It leaves a good impression. Finally, don't forget to say you're ready for an interview. For example, "I'd be happy to talk more about my skills in an interview. Please feel free to contact me." It shows you're confident and excited. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.